Okay, folks, reading this right here. CDC officials admit agency has withheld critical COVID information from the public, including data about breakthrough infections over fears of vaccine hesitancy. So they lying to you so you can get the vaccine because you won't be afraid of it. Throughout the pandemic, the CDC is diligently maintaining a running tally of COVID-19 cases, hospitalizations, and deaths for the public to view. You know all the numbers that make up the majority of the virus fear porn. But that information amounts to just a fraction of the data that has been collected by the agency. According to a new report by the New York Times, the CDC has also been collecting much more detailed data about COVID infections that breaks down by age, race, and vaccination status. The critical information would go a long way towards figuring out an end to the pandemic, but the agency has purposely suppressed the information from the public over fears that it would be misinterpreted and cause vaccine hesitancy. In other words, the expert in the U.S. public health regime believe that the plebs aren't capable enough to interpret something for themselves. So you're stupid. Within the data that has been withheld by the CDC are detailed information about breakthrough cases, hospitalizations, and deaths, which the agency has been collecting since the beginning of the vaccine rollout. According to officials who spoke with the NYT, so much of the bogus lie that has been pushed by the public health officials for months, claiming that breakthrough infections weren't being tracked at all, the medical elites just decided to hide the data because it didn't fit the approved narrative and naturally blame the potential for misinformation as justification for the cover-up. Need I say more, folks? The CDC has lied to you from the beginning, just like the little rodent Fauci. The CDC is bought and paid for by the pharmaceuticals companies. You cannot believe the CDC anymore.